Good morning to everyone. This is the sum we will be doing now in this lecture in front of your screen. Following is the extract of the trial balance of M Limited as on 31 March 2018, particulars rupees. So what is given? Sales is given. Sales is the income of income, that is revenue from operations. And then we have opening stock of raw material, opening stock of finished goods. So we'll have to also calculate raw material consumed and opening stock of finished goods में हम changes in inventory find out करते हैं, where we less the opening stock of finished goods from that we less the closing stock of finished goods. Purchase of raw material, purchase return, sales return also is there. So revenue from operation may be sales minus sales return आएगा, then we will get our revenue from operation. Operation means business operation से क्या revenue, how much revenue business has made. Then we have dividend receipt, which is a income, other income. Sundry income is also other income. Apart from sales, whatever income is there, everything will come in other income. Then we have freight on raw material. It will come in raw material consumed, salaries and wages, employee benefit expense, bonus to employee, employee benefit, director's remuneration. This we will write because separate head is not there for director's remuneration. हम ये other expenses में लिखेंगे because what heads we have? Raw material consumed, changes in inventory, employee benefit expense, finance cost, depreciation. So ये सब में किधर भी डायरेक्टर फीस के लिए अलग से एक्सपेंस, अलग से there is no head. So whatever expense cannot be shown in a specific head will come in other expense. Depreciation on plant and machinery, furniture, fixture, motor vehicle, all this will come under the head depreciation and amortization expense. Then we have interest on loan from Bank of India. This is, we have paid interest on the finances what we have obtained. हमने finance borrow किया, उसके ऊपर we have paid the interest. So we will write it in finance cost. रिपेयर्स एंड मेंटेनेंस के लिए अलग से कोई हेड नहीं है, तो अदर एक्सपेंस. इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम अदर एक्सपेंस, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चार्जेस अदर एक्सपेंस, रेंट रेट्स एंड टैक्सेस अदर एक्सपेंस, ऑडिट फीस अदर एक्सपेंस, एडवर्टाइजमेंट एक्सपेंस अदर एक्सपेंस में आएगा. सन्ड्री एक्सपेंस ऑल्सो will come in other expense. Now they have given additional information. Closing stock of raw material and finished goods was rupees 10 lakh and 12 lakh respectively. So this what we will do, 10 lakh and 12 lakh they have given. So this raw material consumed में closing stock हम minus करेंगे and finished goods ये हम changes in inventory opening stock में से we will less the closing stock. Outstanding salary and wages. This salary and wages, there is an adjustment, highlight salary and wages. Sundry income, there is an adjustment, highlight sundry income. Then sundry income receivable 50,000. Then we have rupees 50,000 to be provided as bad and doubtful debts. So ये हम bad and doubtful debts मतलब other expenses में बता देंगे. Bad and doubtful debts, we don't have अलग से bad debts given. So ये पूरा का पूरा we will show in other expense. Prepaid advertisement expense, this we will show under advertisement expense को highlight करेंगे. Make provision for income tax, this is profit before tax में we will less provision for tax. Then raw material worth rupees 30,000 destroyed by fire. This goods loss by fire less in raw material consumed and loss by fire करके other expenses में आएगा because final account में भी goods loss by fire को दो effect देते हैं. One हम trading account credit side में and another P&L account debit side में. So there is no specific separate head for loss by fire. So other expenses में दिखाएंगे. And goods loss by fire, that while preparing raw material consumed, हम बता देंगे raw material loss by fire. So this is the question. Now we have to prepare statement of profit and loss for the year ended 31st March 2018 as per the provisions of the Companies Act. So name of the company is M Limited. So now let us start. सबसे पहले what comes? सबसे पहले is revenue from operations. So we can show revenue from operations. We show here one revenue. We may write numbers also, no problem. Revenue one ऐसे भी दिखा सकते हैं या capital A revenue from operations. उसके लिए we will have to go to note number 1, notes to account 1. जहाँ पे we will show note number 1, revenue from operations. Revenue from operations. इसमें no sales will come. How much is the amount of sales? It is 2 crore 40 lakhs, correct? Let us check. 2 crore 40 lakhs and then we have sales written 40 lakhs. So let us show both of them. Sales is 2 crore 40 lakhs. Then less returns, less sales returns, which is 40 lakhs. So we will get in the outer column 2 crores. This we will show as revenue from operations. 2 crores. Now next one is other income. Other income. So what do we have for other income? Other income के लिए हमारे पास दो income है यहाँ पे. Dividend received and we have sundry income. So what we will do, revenue, dividend received and sundry income, and sundry income, there is an adjustment. So what we will do, we will go to other income. We will go to other income. So we will write to other income. Other income में two things are there which is related to income. One is dividend received. Dividend received. Let us see how much is the amount of dividend received. Dividend received is, we have already seen, dividend received is 10 lakh. So we will write here dividend received 10 lakhs. And then we have other income, yeah, sundry income. So I'll remove the space first. I'll remove this additional space, what is given. There is sundry income. Sundry income. Let us see, sundry income is 8 lakhs, correct? We just now saw sundry income. How much is sundry income? Sundry income is 8 lakhs. There is an adjustment in sundry income. Receivable means we are yet to belongs to the current year, but we have not received 50,000. So 8 lakhs plus 50,000. How much will come here? Here it will come 8,50,000. So total will become how much? 18,50,000. So here we can write 18,50,000 is other income. So we get our first Roman, that is total revenue. Revenue के लिए only two heads are there. One is revenue from operation, which is sales, and then whatever other incomes are there will come here. So how much it is? 2 crores 18 lakh 50,000 is our total revenue. Now we will go to expenses. Expenses. So expenses में expenses is there. Now expenses में what we have, expenses में सबसे पहले cost of raw material consumed. Raw material information is given. This will be note number 3. So we'll write here note number 3 and we will prepare the note number 3 here. So note number 3 is raw material consumed. Raw material consumed. Raw material consumed. We want opening stock of raw material. Means last year अगर कोई raw material बचा रहेगा तो that we will use this year ना. So is there any raw material opening stock of raw material? So we will write that opening stock of raw material. So it is given in the question. We have seen that यहाँ पे देखो opening stock of raw material 20 lakh is given. Opening stock of raw material 20 lakhs. Then with this what we will write? Add purchases of raw material. Purchases of raw material. ये opening stock full year के लेटर sufficient नहीं है. So let us see whether there is purchase of raw material 54. We have purchase returns also 4 lakh. So what we will do here, purchase of raw material, if we want we can just write here only less returns, or we can like this we can write, or in the less when closing stocks up minus करते तभी returns को भी minus कर सकते हैं, या तो इधर ही less returns करके 54 lakh minus 4 that is 50 lakhs लिख सकते हैं. Up to you how you want to do. यहीं पे minus करना है तो यहीं पे minus करो. Now we will see any other expenses related to raw material purchase. Freight है which is related to raw material purchase 60,000. Freight is 60,000. So we will write 50,000 freight on raw material. So here are freight on raw material. What is freight on raw material? That is carriage expense. It is 60,000. 60,000. ये सबको add करके, is there any other expense related to purchase of raw material? See any other expense which is related to purchase of raw material? No. Now closing stock minus करेंगे, purchase return minus करेंगे और raw material loss by fire minus करेंगे. So पहले if we want we can just add all these. 74 lakh 60,000. 74 lakh 60,000. And from this we will less what all items are there which we have to less. There is purchase returns 4 lakh, which we have seen purchase return is 4 lakh. Then we have closing stock of raw material. ये वो है जो हमने use नहीं किया. These are all those items where goods have not been used. So वो तो minus करना पड़ेगा. Closing stock of raw material, how much it is closing stock of raw material? It is 10 lakh and finished goods is 12, that we will see later on. So 10 lakh है वो भी minus करेंगे. 10 lakh. Then we have goods lost by 5. So less goods lost या goods या material. They have clearly told raw material, तो वैसे लिखते हैं material lost by fire, because there was no insurance, everything is a loss. 30,000 का goods था, lost by destroyed by fire, goods were not insured, so there is no insurance compensation. Every full, जैसे भी यहाँ पे तो हम पूरा 30,000 ही लेस करेंगे, loss by fire भी पूरा का पूरा 30,000 है. Now minus करो, how much you get? 14 lakh 30,000 minus किया 74 lakh 60,000 में से, तो we get 60 lakh 30,000. We get 60 lakh 30,000. So we can write here raw material consumed is 60 lakh 30,000. इसके बाद next what we write is changes in inventory. Changes, that is increase or decrease in inventory. इसको हम बोल सकते हैं या तो increase होगा inventory या तो it will be a decrease. So this, what is it? This is finished goods. Inventory of finished goods. So हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? Opening stock of finished goods is here. Opening stock of finished goods 10 lakh. And closing stock of finished goods is 12 lakh. Let us find increase, decrease or change. So let us now find out fourth one. Note number 4. Changes in inventory of finished goods. Changes in inventory of finished goods. FG, let us write. So यहाँ पे what we have? Here we have opening stock of finished goods 10 lakh. We have already seen the amount. Finished goods 10 lakh. इसमें से लेस करेंगे. Now I want to remove the space. Again there is a space which I want to remove. So let me remove that. So less closing stock of finished goods, या of inventory of finished goods, however you write. ये less में 12 lakh है. Because closing stock of finished goods is 12 lakh. So कितना आएगा आंसर? You will get a negative answer of 2 lakhs. Closing stock is a bigger amount. So यहाँ पे bracket में we will write 2 lakhs. This is fourth note. अब इसके बाद we have employee benefit expenses. ये लिखने के बाद we have employee benefit expenses. Employee benefit expenses के लिए again we will have to go to note number 5. Next one, employee benefit expenses. Employee benefit expenses. How much is it? What is there in employee benefit expense? We have salary and wages, which has adjustment. Then we have bonus to employees. Only 2 is there. 8 lakh, 1,60,000. We have salary and wages and bonus to employees. So what we can do here, we will write salaries and wages, which has an adjustment. Salaries and wages. How much is it? Salaries and wages 8 lakhs है, but इसमें there is an adjustment also. How much? Outstanding salary 1 lakh. Outstanding means pay नहीं किया but belongs to the current year. Outstanding को भी add. So this will be 8 lakh plus 1 lakh, that is equal to 9 lakh. Then next we have bonus to employees. Bonus to employees was 1,60,000. Bonus to employees 1,60,000. So how much will be the total? 1,60,000. Total will be 10,60,000. 10,60,000. We will write here 10,60,000. Then after this we have finance cost. Is there anything related to finance cost? Is there any interest expense, borrowing cost, bank charges? So I have seen here we have this one, interest on loan 14 lakh. Only one is there, इसलिए मैं note नहीं बनाऊंगी. Interest on loan I will write here for your understanding. Interest on loan 14 lakhs. So I will write here interest on loan 14 lakhs. Now what we will do, before going here, the next head after finance cost is depreciation and amortization expense. Depreciation and amortization. Depreciation and amortization expenses. Depreciation and amortization expenses. For that we will have to go to the next note, that is 6 to 1. 6 to 1, note number 6, depreciation and amortization expenses. Depreciation and amortization expenses. We let us see what all is related to this. What all are related to depreciation. So यहाँ पे दिया देखो depreciation on, ये सब चीजों के ऊपर depreciation है. So directly copy paste. What all are there? I will copy paste. So यहाँ पे what amount we will write? Let us check the amount. तीनों का कितना है depreciation? It is 10 lakh, 6 lakh, 2 lakh. 10 lakh, 6 lakh and 2 lakh. So I will write here 10 lakh. This is 6 lakh. 6 lakh. And then this is 2 lakhs. Add all the three, we get 18 lakhs. So depreciation and amortization is 18 lakhs. We have wrote here, it is 18 lakhs. We will write here 18 lakhs. So last, whatever other expenses which do not have any specific head will come in the other expense, note number 7. So other expenses, note number 7, which is the last one. So it will be note number 7, other expenses. Other expenses. So here let us see what all have remained. We have not put in any head. Will come here now. So let us check from the beginning. Sales income made as changes in inventory, raw material consumed, dividend received, other income, ये salary, this spent to employee benefit. तो यहाँ पे बचा directors remuneration 16 lakh. So वो other expenses में आ जाएगा. Directors remuneration. Directors remuneration 16 lakh. Directors remuneration is 16 lakh. Now let us check what else which has not been written anywhere else. Depreciation we have written. After director remuneration, depreciation we have written. Interest on loan also, finance cost. Then we have this repairs and maintenance, insurance, electricity charges, rent rate, insurance, sundry expense, everything will come here because everything is not been written anywhere else. So now we want their amounts also. So one by one, let us write their amounts. क्या amount है? Let us write down the amount. 1 minute. So repairs 1,60,000, 60,000, 80,000, 40,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh 40 and 20,000. These are all the amounts. So let us write one by one what all amounts are there. How much it is? Repairs is 1,60,000. Insurance premium is 60,000. Everything is given, huh? All this is given. Electricity charges 80,000. Rent rate and taxes is 40,000. Then audit fees is 1 lakh. Advertisement, there is a adjustment. Let us see. It is 2,40,000 in the question. There is one adjustment for advertisement. Prepaid means advertisement expense paid in advance 40,000. नेक्स्ट ईयर का अभी से पे किया पर फाइनल अकाउंट में वी टेक ओनली करंट ईयर एक्सपेंस. सो दिस 40,000 हम माइनस करेंगे एंड वी विल राइट हियर 2 lakhs. सन्ड्री एक्सपेंस जो है that is how much? Sundry expense is 20,000. Now let us see if we have missed anything. Adjustment में कुछ हमने मिस किया है. Closing stock हो गया, outstanding salaries done, income receivable done, doubtful debts 50,000 not done, and raw material loss by fire 30,000 also not done. So here two things we have to add here. One is doubtful debts. Doubtful debts 50,000 provision, and next one is loss by fire. The 30,000 goods material loss by fire, and it was uninsured goods. So everything is a loss, full 30,000. Now what we will do is this doubtful debts को हम ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं provision for doubtful debt. That is what is given. Provision for doubtful debts. Now add everything. Take your calci. 16 lakh, 1 lakh 60,000, 60,000, 80,000, 40,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 20,000, 50,000, 30,000 is giving us 23 lakhs 40,000. So we will go to the format 23 lakhs 40,000. तो इसको ऐड करके हमें मिलता है टोटल एक्सपेंसेस. वी गेट अवर टोटल एक्सपेंसेस. सो लेट अस राइट टोटल एक्सपेंसेस. Total expenses. I want to just put it little down. यहाँ पे नहीं चाहिए. Total expenses. Here we will write total expenses. Total expenses, add all of this. Add all of this 60 lakh 30,000 minus 2 lakh plus 10 lakh 60,000 plus 14 lakh plus 18 lakh plus 23 lakh 40,000. We get 1 crore 24 lakh 30,000. Now income minus expenses, 2 crore 18 lakh 50,000 minus 1 crore 24 lakh 30,000. We will get profit before tax. Profit before tax. So minus karo, minus Roman 1 total revenue minus Roman 2 total expense. Total revenue minus total expense, we get 94 lakh 20,000. 94 lakh 20,000. इसमें से less करेंगे, what we say, provision for tax. This is given in question. Provision for tax. How much is provision for tax? 4 lakhs. Is 4 lakhs. So here we will write bracket में 4 lakhs. Then we will get profit after tax, which will be 90 lakhs 20,000. With this sum is done. Thank you very much, everyone.